Hello everyone, this is Ernest with Empty Nesters Life Now. Just wanted to give you an update. Installing the 5/4 deck boards. Next we're going to frame some exterior walls. Just about finished with this project. Couple of pointers here. If you're putting 5/4 boards down, I'd recommend you use the galvanized ring shank nails, the 3.5 inch. They'll hold a lot better. And if you shoot your nail pattern a little more to the outside edges and put the cup side of the wood down, then it'll help to keep the wood from cupping in the future. That's it for now. Y'all have a blessed day.